Hi everyone, welcome to mathematics class. Page number 172. What is the page number? 172. Question number 22. Raj is reading a book. Who is reading the book? Raj. Raj is reading a book which has 48 pages. One person, Raj is reading a book. In that book, how many pages? 48 pages. Okay, 48 pages. He has read 24 pages. How many pages? 24 pages reading is completed by Raj. 24 pages reading is completed by Raj. So, what is the question? How many pages are left to be read? How many pages are left to be read? What are the remaining pages to be read? The pages in a book is equal to how many? 48 pages. 48 pages are there. Next, Raj has read how many pages? 24 pages. How many pages? 24. To find out the remaining pages which are left to be read, what should we do here? Addition or subtraction? Sum or subtraction? Which is subtraction. Why? Total 48 pages, 24 pages reading finished. To find out the remaining pages which are left to be read, we need to do subtraction. So minus. What is the symbol of subtraction? Minus. Next, the pages are left to be read. To be read is equal to 48 ones place, tens place. Okay, that is equal to 8 is here, 4 is here. 4, 2. Ones place, subtract from ones place. Tens place, subtract from tens place. 8 is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 lines. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next 4 is here and 2 is here. 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines. Here 4. Subtraction. 8 minus 4. So let us cut 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cutting 4 lines after 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are remain here. So 4. Ones place subtraction is finished. Then tens place. What is here? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. 4 lines. Here 2. 4 minus 2. It means let us cut 2 lines. 1, 2. 2 lines cutting after 1, 2 is here. So 24. How many pages are left to be read? How many pages? 24. Total 48 pages, 24 pages reading completed. Remaining pages, 24 pages are left to be read. Next, this is the question number 22. In your textbook, page number 172, question number 23 is there. It is also about subtraction. Okay, So same process. If you understand this process, just do yourself. 23 question number 23, do your own in your homework notebook. Okay. Next question number 24. What number should be put in the box? Okay, one box is here, right? At the center, box is given, at the center it is empty, right? So that the total is same in all directions. We need to put a number here. After putting the number here, all the total, this side and this side, all the directions, total should be same. In all the directions, straight, okay, this side and cross, total should be same. What is the total? How can find out? Already some total is there. Here we can understand the total. 3, 2, 7, 3, 8, 1, 1, 6, 5. If we understand this total, we can put a number here easily. First of all, 3 is here. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is the total should be? 12. Here also 8, 9, 10, 11 and 1, 12. Here also coming 12, right? 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1, 12. Okay? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 1. 6 lines, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here one more, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here also 12 coming. So what will be the total? 12. Space is here. In this direction 12 finished. In this direction also total finished. In this direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 0, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In this direction also 12. Okay. In this direction finished. In this direction 12 finished. In this direction 12 finished. In this direction 12 finished. What are the pending directions? In this direction. Okay. In this direction and one more in this direction and one more in this direction. Yes, one more in this direction. Just by putting one number we can set all the directions. Okay. First let us take one example. Okay, one direction. 6 is here, 2 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is coming. How many numbers we need to add? What is the number we need to add? 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. What is the number will be? 6 plus 2 already 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. So 8 is here. If we add 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. We can get 12 here. One more thing. What is the total will be? 12. What is the total will be? 12. 6, 7, 8. What is the number already here? 8. Just subtract 8 from the 12. 12 minus 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 lines are here. Okay. Minus 8. Subtract 8 from 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cutting 8 lines after 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the number here. So to get 412, already 8 is here. We need to put 4 here. What is the number? 4. Now 6 plus 2, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, this direction is set. Here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This direction is also set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This direction also set. Okay. Next, question number 25. Question number 25. Find the product. What is the question? Find the product. In another manners, we can say multiplication. Okay. This symbol is for addition or to find the sum. This is for the sum. This symbol is for subtract. Okay. Now this is for finding the product, or we can say multiply, or to find product. Okay. Let us see some problems given here. 7 is here, 3 is here. Okay, one important topic is here. To deal this topic, product topic, to deal these problems easily, you should learn tables. Tables are very, very important here. Okay, table learning is very, very important. Why? Just here, look at here, 3 into 7. 3 into 7. What is this? 3 7 ja. Yes, 3 7 ja. Just look at next problem. 3 into 8. 3 into 8. What is the meaning? 3 into 8. 3 8 ja. 3 7 ja. So it is related to tables. So 1 to 10 tables learn, so that you can do these problems very easily. What is here? 3 into 7. 3 into 7. First 3 7 ja. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 3 ja 9. 3 4 ja 12. 3 5 ja 15. 3 6 ja 18. Next 3 7 ja 21. 3 7 ja 21. We need this. Yes, 3 7 ja 21. 3 into 7. How it is looking? 3 into 7. 3 7 ja. So 3 7 ja 21. Okay. Next problem B. 3 into 8. 3 into 8. It means 3 8 ja. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 4 ja, 3 5 ja, 3 6 ja, 3 7 ja. 3 7 ja 21. 3 8 ja 24. 3 8 ja 24. 3 7 ja 21. 3 8 ja 24. We need 3 8 ja 24. Here 3 8 ja 24. What is the answer? 24. Next problem number C. What is here? 9. 9 into 4. 9 into 4 means 9 4 ja. So 9 table is here. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 9 4 ja 36. What is here? 9 into 4, 9 4 ja 36. What is the answer will be? 36, 3 6 36. Next, problem number D. What is here? 8 into 2, 8 into 2, 8 2 ja 8 2 ja. Which table here? 8 table. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So what is the answer here? 8 2 ja 16. So I think you understand well what is the importance of the tables. What is the importance of the tables? Yes, if you know about the tables, if you learn the tables, it is very easy. 3 7 ja 21, 3 8 ja 24, 9 4 ja 36, 8 2 ja 16. If you don't know the tables, if you don't know the tables, you feel very difficult to deal this. Okay, so table learning is very important for this question. Find the product. Okay, in your textbook page number 173, question number 25, there are 10 problems. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. How many? 10 problems. Already A, B, C, D solved, right? Next, E, F, G, H, I, J. How many? 6 problems are there. How many problems? From the 10 problems, 4 problems solved, 6 problems are remaining. E, F, G, H, I, J. Do your own. This is your homework. This is your homework. Okay, again I am telling, to solve these 6 problems, table learning is very important. Table learning is very important. Okay, so do your one in your homework notebook. Write all this in your classwork notebook. Okay, thank you.